Hey guys, Bill coming back at you again with another video. Today it's going to be a really short one, guys. I planned on harvesting the autoflowers, which we have to do. We'll do that today. And I was also planning on doing a bud stripping on the Afghan chocolopes, but I've come down with pneumonia and I'm going to just harvest these 3 plants today and save the training on the other ones till next week. So I apologize, it's going to be a short video. But anyway, let's get you up on the tripod and we'll get these autoflowers down. Alright, we're going to start with this one first, guys. This is the last Banana Daddy from Ethos. We've already harvested 2 of them. This is the last one. These are really super sticky plants. Not super dense, but this one is actually a little more dense than the last 2, but really sticky. It'd be great for pressing, I know that. Let's go ahead, chop her down. So this pretty good sized plant actually for an auto. Is quite tall, and you can see the training we did here. I don't know if you can see that one there, but it's completely bent past a 90-degree bend here, and this was the main stalk. Yeah, it turned out pretty good. There's a bouquet shot. Now I stopped watering these ones 4 or 5 days ago, and I'll discuss that more in a future video of why I did that. But we'll go ahead, hang this one up, and get at the last 2. All right, so the last 2, this one and this one over here. I don't know if you can see that one super great where you're at. These are the last Alien versus Triangles crossed with 3 bears from Mephisto Genetics. These were some Hermes seeds that I've had and grown out many times with no Hermes, so turned out pretty decent, which they do normally turn out pretty good. Let's see here. Now, even though I stopped watering them 4 or 5 days ago, you can see the leaves are kind of crispy a little bit, but the branches, the buds, they're still fine. Again, you can see the same training. We super cropped it down here. We got a bend here, then it comes straight down and a bend back this way. So not bad. Pretty colors on there, besides the dead crispy leaves. Alien versus Triangle crossed with 3 bears. Let's get this hung up. And last but not least, we have the last of the Alien versus Triangle crossed with 3 bears. And that's the last one. That was quite the run of autoflowers. They all started flower at different times, and they all finished obviously at different times as well. The first ones I think we harvested 2 or 3 weeks ago, and these are the last ones here. We got some pretty chunky buds on this one, really nice. Quite a dense bunch of buds on this one, actually really nice. And bouquet shot. There we go. Let's go hang her up and then we'll take her look. Okay, so there we have it, guys. Got our last 3 autos down. Don't think we did any zooms yet on this one. Beautiful, beautiful trichome production. Let's go over to this one, check this one out. Again, really nice. Just some little reds in there. And then the last one. Beautiful. All right, guys, so sorry for the short video, but I want to crawl back into bed once I edit this up. And we'll do the bud stripping of the Afghan chocolopes in the Mars Hydro deep water culture. We'll do them next week. Speaking of deep water culture and Mars Hydro. Be sure to check out Mars Hydro's pre-Black Friday sales, guys. They've got lots of stuff going on over there. I'll have links down in the description section, and if you use my code BWARD, you'll save a little bit extra at checkout. So go check them out. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next one. Happy growing.